Welcome back, folks. Welcome back. It's attorney Deanna Winterfunde here, giving you some good advice because this is one of my favorite topics. I love talking about naturalization. So where are we in the process? You've determined that you've qualified. You've held your green card for the statutory period, and you have you haven't committed a crime. You haven't been a bad person. Okay. The application form that you will fill out is the N400. You can find this form at uscis.gov. uscis.gov. You can find that form there. That form, you need to read through it carefully because you want to make sure all your answers are correct. You do not want to come off as misleading the government or giving any false statements. Even if it's unintentional, you want to make sure it's good. You want to put your form together. You want to pay your filing fees, right? A couple of passport-sized photographs, and you're going to be mailing this in. You will need to send a copy of your green card front and back. I like to send birth certificate. I like to send last 5 years of tax returns. That is just me. Especially if I see there's an issue of good moral character. I want to throw the taxes in there. I want to get some affidavits from friends and family members. If there's some questions as to your moral character, I want to get those in there. For those of you that have had some kind of arrest in the past, first of all, you need to consult with an attorney. Because remember, out of naturalization, you can be placed into removal if you have committed a deportable offense. But if you have any kind of arrest, you need your certified official arrest record, and you also need the final court disposition. You will need to take that with you. If the arrest is in the statutory period, the 5 years or the 3 years we've been talking about, I feel like saying fifth, third. If it's in the statutory period, you may have some problems with good moral character. However, I have had applications approved even when the crime occurred during the good moral character period. But these are areas that I would think you need to sit down with an attorney and have a consultation. Once you mail your application within 2 weeks, you'll get a notice to go to complete your biometrics. Yes, the service will be completing biometrics on you to see, if you've been a good boy or girl. After your biometrics appointment, then you will be called in for an interview. Here in Tampa Bay, it's about 4 to 6 months. I understand Atlanta is a little bit more, and I understand New York is long. So you will be, after that, processed for your interview. Everyone will be interviewed on their naturalization application. There are some exceptions for the elderly, depending on how long you've had your green card. There are some exceptions for medical disabilities, if they can be proven. And there are some exceptions for language. Okay, in the statute, there are some exceptions. On the day of your interview, I ask that you collect all the documents that I've just talked about in their original form. All right, join me again for the next video and we'll talk about the actual interview. But go ahead, like I said, and share your story. Until next time, my friends, walk good.